So make sure you use a metal spoon or a wooden stick to mix it. That's more easier. So I mix it for 3 minutes, and this is what I got. As you can see it, here is what I got. What's up, YouTube? Hi, my name is Temi, author of Simple Affordable DIY. If you want to check out my website, it's www.simpleaffordabledIY.com. Okay, today I'm back again with another DIY. Yes, you know I always bring you DIYs that will blow your mind away. And guess what? With things that you already have in your kitchen. Sometimes you wonder, when you don't know what to do with those things in your kitchen, you feel like, oh, just gonna trash it. I don't need it. But guess what? If you are somebody like that, or like me, because most of the time this is what I do with things in my kitchen that I don't know what to do with them. I just toss them in the trash can. But instead of us tossing them in the trash can, why not make something meaningful out of them? That is why this channel started. Okay, so for this lip scrub, we are going to need brown sugar and honey. These two ingredients you already have in your kitchen. As you already know, I bring you DIYs on things you already have in your kitchen, and now you can turn them to something meaningful to use again. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my lip scrub at home with these two ingredients. And guess what? I'm going to show you how to make it with these two ingredients. I'm going to tell you how to use it, and how long you can use it for, and every details you need to know about this lip scrub. Okay, then make sure you do not stop this video. Do not pause it, because at the end of this video I'm going to show you another method on how you can make your lip scrub. This method is also fantastic, but if you don't want to try this method, you should love the other method. And all these two methods do not cost you nothing, zero. Okay, so watch to the end. So I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, because brown sugar is so good. It's an effective natural exfoliant. When mixed with honey, it becomes a very great moisturizing lip scrub. So when you use it, it's going to make your lips feel so soft and so cool. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of honey, as you can see it, here is what I got. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I apply it on my lips, so that and you can use this once or twice a week if you want your lips to feel good. And I mean, by the way, it's very good to always make sure you exfoliate your lips every time, so that you can to wash away the dirty particles on it. You should exfoliate your lips at least once or twice a week. So you're going to make sure your lips are clean of makeup before you start. Make sure if you have any makeup on your lips, make sure you wash it out, and then gently apply this lip scrub with a toothbrush in order to get rid of, dead skin on your lips. And another quick trick is you can on the humidifier to make sure the room is moist around, and wear a lip balm on your lips all the time to make sure to always keep your lips moisturized and look healthy. However, it is important to know how to exfoliate your lips properly so that you don't cause any damage on your lips. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to walk you through the process of how to use it on your lips. Okay, so stay tuned. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you like this DIY, and also comment down below what you think about this lip scrub. Okay, all right. So because I have some lipstick on, I'm going to get this cotton wool and wet it with water. So I'm going to wipe my lips first. I'm going to wipe all the lipstick out of my lips. So my lip is all clean, as you can see. So I'm going to get my brush. I have a small brush here. Okay, you can use your big regular toothbrush, but I'm using this small brush. I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes on your lips before we wash it out with water. And after washing it out with water, make sure you apply a lip balm. Always make sure your lips is moisturized. That is gonna prevent it from from you having a sharp lips or a cracked lip. So make sure it's always moisturized. I will leave this for 10 minutes and I'm going to wash it out. And that's it. It's very good. You're gonna like it. So do this once or twice a week. And if you always have a dry lips or sharp lips, or you just want your lips to feel better, try this lip scrub DIY. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it and you're gonna thank me. Okay, so if you've tried it or you just want to try it, let me know in the comment section below. And if you tried it, let me know how it turns out. Okay, so when I wash it out, I'm going to show you how my lips looks like. My lip, normally I used to have a very dry lips. When I was growing up, I used to have a very dry. Well, this process is going to help you to make your lips feel better, look better, and start becoming pink. So after washing it out with water, this is what I got. As you can see, so I'm going to apply my lip balm. I use this Vaseline Lip Therapy lip balm. So I'm going to apply it on my lips because I'm not going to use. So I'm going to apply it to keep it moisture. You can use your regular Vaseline if you have Vaseline Vaseline also works very well. So if you want to see uses of Vaseline, a lot of things that you can use Vaseline for, let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to bring you that video. Organic Vaseline at home. Don't hesitate to check it out. I'm going to link it somewhere in the part of this video. Okay, so you see, and that's it. So make sure your lips is always moisturized all the time, always. This way. So here is the second method. I'm going to get my lip balm or Vaseline. Your regular lip balm will do, or Vaseline. So I'm going to rub a lot of lip balm on my lips to make it very moisture. And I'm going to grab my brush and scrub in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. A wet brush, mind you. Make sure your brush is, like you damp it with water, and then gonna scrub like this. And we're going to wash it out with water. So once you do that, you're going to see all the dead cell on the brush. Look at it. I'm going to wash it out with warm water, and I'm going to reapply my lip balm again and leave it there until maybe when it's about time to sleep. I'll wash it out, then apply another lip balm. Make sure you don't go to bed with dry lips. Always make sure your lips is moisturized. Okay, by the time you wake up, it's gonna still be moisturized, and you're gonna like the feel of it. So if you like these two methods, leave me a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this channel. Okay, all right, thank you so much, and I'll catch you in my next video.